Yeah, can you turn light on there, Jim?
Holy shit. Now that's a pretty motherfucker.
You look.
I'm sorry, but that's pretty as shit. Damn it. That's fucking awesome.
That's a special kind of blue. It's got a lot of purple in it, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's that 2000, late 2000 Honda blue.
Really? Yeah. What do you think of the stripes there in the front?
I like that.
I like that.
Especially where you squared them off in the center instead of around it.
Looks classy.
Yes.
Okay, Waldo. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give it?
We're going to give it a 10.
Give it a 10?
We're going to give it a 10 because wait till they put the chrome on it.
Okay.